Hi, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. And these were so simple to make. I used a little connector link from this chain that I bought at Joann's, and I bought this during Christmas, and it wasn't that much. It was on sale, and I thought it was really pretty. And they're connected by jump rings. So jump rings do come with them. And so I made these little earrings. These would make a wonderful gift for someone for Mother's Day, birthday, even Christmas. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll show you how to put these little lovely earrings together. So hold on. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a 1.5-inch head pin, and make sure it's a strong gauge. They have really strong gauge head pins that they sell hanging up in the packages at Michael's, in the bead landing section, the jewelry section. And in these packages they have multiple things, head pins, eye pins, lobster clasps, crimp beads, earring wires, and they come in different types of metals, and those are nice and strong. You can use those. I purchased these from, I believe, either Etsy or eBay. I can't remember now. But the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pick up a round 11.0 seed bead. I don't know if you can see it. And let it drop. Then you're going to need a 4mm daisy spacer. Let that drop. Then you're going to place a teardrop bead on. This is a Swarovski, and it's 12mm tall by about 8mm wide. And then you're going to pick up another daisy spacer and another 11.0 seed bead. So what you have looks like this. Okay. So I'm going to place everything here on my finger so I can hold the top and this isn't going to slip around. So I'm going to take my little round nose pliers and give it a bend here at the top. Then I'm going to cut off all except about 1/4 of an inch. You can tell how strong that head pin is when I cut it. Then you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to bend it towards you to make a loop. Now, see where my finger is here? I'm going to give it a little back push like that to make it look more like a hook. And then I'm going to keep on bending it. And if you have to go back in with your pliers to straighten it up, do that, okay? That will really help you when you're trying to make this loop. And I'm going to just keep going until it touches. So it touched, so it looks like that now. Alright, so now we have our little butterfly, and I just took that butterfly off this strand of beads that I purchased at Joann's. Birdie and Joe, it looks like. And these were on sale hanging up around Christmas time. I didn't pay that much for it. I thought it would make pretty earrings or a bracelet. So all I did was just open jump rings that was connecting the butterfly, and here we have it. So the next thing we're going to do is, with this loop that we just made, we're going to bend it back like this. And you're going to do that because you don't want to pull it straight out like this, as you'll weaken the metal. Then this is going on the bottom part of the butterfly. So I'm going to slip this in, like so, and then I'm going to close it. By just giving it a little bend towards me again. And as you can see, it's completely closed. So we have our little butterfly. So next thing we're going to do is put this on a little ear wire, bend that outwards, and just slip this on through like so, and bend it back towards us. And we have this beautiful pair of earrings, and I thought they turned out really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I thank you so much for watching. And you take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.